Hello! In this video, we're going to show you how to get the very best experience out of a TV box in 2018. We're also going to go over how to get the most out of Kodi, EBMC, and other applications, and how to set up your device from scratch. For demonstration purposes, we'll be using the T8V from Entertainment Box, which runs on the latest Android 7.1.2 operating system. If you're using an older version of the T8, follow the instructions on our website to upgrade to the version we are using here. Powering up the device, you will first encounter the Welcome screen. Click the Next button, and you'll be taken to the language selection screen. Select your preferred language and click the Next button again. You will then be allowed to select the size of your screen by clicking on the plus or minus buttons. Customize the screen to your liking. When you're finished, click the Next button. You'll then be given the option to connect to the internet using Wi-Fi or Ethernet. We're currently using an Ethernet connection, but in the case of using Wi-Fi, you will need to enter your password and Wi-Fi settings. These settings can often be found on the back of your router. Once completed, select the Finish button. The final screen allows you to select the launcher you prefer. Here we have a selection of 3 different launchers, including EBMC, Kodi, and the always popular Nova launcher. Clicking on EBMC gives us 2 selection buttons, Just Once and Always. Selecting the Just Once button will enter the EBMC launcher, but pressing the Home button will return you to the options to select another launcher. Selecting the Always button will lock in the preferred launcher permanently, but it can easily be changed later in the settings menu. The difference between the EBMC and Kodi launchers is simply which streaming app and settings you prefer to use. Switching to the Nova launcher, you can easily see why it's one of the most popular, being that it is so customizable. Selecting the Next button brings up all the options, including the middle circle button, which enters the Applications hub and gives you access to various applications and settings for your device. All apps are drag and droppable to your home page or other numerous pages that you can create. Now we'll set up this TV box to demonstrate how to get the very best experience. We'll first adjust a few of the settings. With the introduction of Android 7, we will demonstrate how you can search for settings. Navigate to the Apps section of the Nova launcher and click on the Settings button. You will notice the search icon located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This will allow you to search for settings or other numerous features found on your TV box. Typing in the term Permissions, you'll notice that the search bar has already brought up App Permissions as a common result. Clicking this once and then again at the top of the screen will bring you to a section where you are able to set up all of the permissions of your device. The installed applications, as well as apps you may download in the future, will need permission to run effectively. We recommend that you allow permission to all basic installed apps that come with your TV box to start. Any third-party applications that are downloaded later will need you to agree to verification before they will be allowed to operate properly on your device. Navigating to the Calendar section, we will turn on permissions so that these apps will have free use of the calendar function. Next, we'll turn on the permission for the apps, shown here, to use the camera function. We'll do the same for each function located within the App Permission section. The next optimization we're going to make is to add a Google account to the Google Play Store, or create one if you haven't already. Open the Google Play Store application. Once loaded, you have the ability to either create a Google account by using the More Options button or enter your current Google account, email, and passcode. Once the login is completed, you will want to update all the applications on your device to ensure you have the latest versions. Navigate to the My Apps and Games section and click on the Update All button. Once the download is completed and installed, you will have access to all the latest features of each application. Opening the Settings and Settings search bar again, you can see various other options that are available. such as screen display, screensaver, brightness level, screen locking sound, and even Wi-Fi settings. Even connecting your Bluetooth controller to this device is a breeze from the Settings menu or Settings search bar. Access the Bluetooth function and activate it as shown here. Once completed, simply press and hold the Home button and the blue X button at the same time. You'll see the orange light on the controller begin to flash very quickly. Your device should then recognize the controller and show the appropriate connection on screen. Clicking once more on the device from the display will finalize the process, and the rapidly blinking light on your controller should stop blinking and turn a solid orange. Now you will be able to use the controller to perform tasks and access all applications. The next feature we're going to enable and set up is the Google Assistant. This function allows you to connect your TV box to other devices that you may own. First, open up the Google application. Then, click on the Try Bar icon located in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, and then click on Settings. Next, you will want to click Enable Google Assistant in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Your Google Assistant should now be activated. Those who have owned smartphones or tablets will be familiar with the functionality of each of these TV boxes. You will have full control of the applications you prefer and where they are located on your device. Whether you're into streaming live sporting events, watching movies, or even just browsing YouTube, Entertainment Box has made sure that you have the ability to customize your device from the ground up and make it uniquely your own. Adding the applications that cater to your interests is as simple as opening one of the application downloading functions, such as the Google Play Store. In this case, we'll use the voice activation function to search for movie apps. As you can see, there are numerous applications for streaming and watching movies, including the always popular Kodi. Instead of movies, let's say you would prefer to watch some live television. Speaking Live TV into the voice activation function or typing it into the search bar will then pull up numerous applications. Simply click and download to install the ones that suit your liking. Aptoide TV is yet another popular application used to find and download your favorite applications. It is unique in that it is managed by its users and creators of the various applications. Anyone can create an app and upload it to Aptoide TV. These apps can then be categorized, downloaded, and installed for use by others. Selecting Top Applications will show some of the most downloaded and used applications. There are seasonal favorites, games, and more that can be found in the various categories available. Yet another source for applications is the eBox Store. These are hand-picked applications by Entertainment Box. Among many others, you will find the Kodi and EBMC applications. We also stay consistent and current with the latest versions of these popular streaming apps, so you too can download them and be up to date. Scrolling down, you can see the various apps that have been organized and categorized by country of origin. Now we'll show you how to use one of the best media streaming applications available, our version of Kodi called eBox Media Center, or EBMC. The eBox Media Center is exactly the same as Kodi, but streamlined quite a bit to make it more user-friendly. We are currently running version 17.6, which is the most stable version to date. Those familiar with Kodi will know that you have to download and add builds to the application to access viewing material. One of the easiest ways to do this is to use Google Assistant or YouTube. Using a quick voice search for Best Kodi Builds on Google Assistant yields numerous available builds. Inputting the same search in YouTube also yields various builds ready to be installed. Just make sure you have the legal rights to watch any installed content you stream via Kodi. Following this simple guide will ensure that you will have ease of setup and ensure that you have the best experience possible while streaming movies or watching live TV. We do recommend that at least once every month you visit the eBox OTA From here, you can see if there are any updates available for your device. As you can see, the last update was on the 15th of December, so this device is optimized and ready for use. We update our devices often to ensure that they are running as smoothly and efficiently as possible. Thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video and found it informative. If so, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This video was brought to you by EntertainmentBox.com.